cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Ouch!
Oh, sorry, Mama Polenta.
Oh, that's okay, Shane. Yesterday you stepped on my toes 20 times. Today, only 5.
It's an improvement, I guess. But I don't think I'll be good enough in time for tonight's dinner dance. Ugh.
Of course you will. You just need to practice.
Oh, thank you so much, Mama Polenta. It's really kind of you to get up so early to give me dance lessons.
Oh, it's my pleasure, Shane. And remember, the cha-cha-cha is all about the South American Latin rhythm.
All about the Latin rhythm, eh? Okay. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Boop-a-dee-choo. Cha-cha-cha. Step, step, cha-cha. Step, step, cha-cha-cha. Yes. I got this. 1, 2, cha-cha. Whoa! Right. Oh, ugh. That's embarrassing.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Eggs, come and get your lovely eggs. Eggs, come and get your lovely eggs.
Boil and bake 'em, scramble and fry 'em. Everyone likes their eggs.
Good for you and tasty too.
Everyone likes their eggs.
Start the day in a happy way.
Eat your breakfast every day.
Have your eggs any which way. Everyone likes their eggs.
Oh, Shane, what a good idea. Oh, I love a good breakfast.
That's what my breakfast bonanza is all about, Mama Polenta.
Breakfast, most important meal of the day. When I was in the Navy, we used to eat 6 eggs for breakfast. Raw!
I think Eddie prefers them cooked. Here, chuk-chuk-chuk-chuk-chuk. Here,
Snowy! Snowy! Lovely veggie scraps. Come and get them.
It's no use, Izzy. They've well and truly disappeared.
I'd better go and tell Dad. He'll have to cancel his breakfast bonanza.
I'll give you a lift. We'll need help if we're going to find my hens. I don't know where they could have gone, Izzy.
Everyone likes their
eggs. Ah, thank you, thank you. Whoa, our singing seems to have gathered a crowd. All we need now are the eggs.